Have you ever wanted to say something in English, but your brain first translated it from your native language? That one habit is one of the biggest reasons many English learners struggle to speak fluently. The secret isn't learning thousands of new words. The secret is learning to think directly in English. In this video, I'll show you practical techniques that can help you stop translating and start thinking naturally in English. Let's begin. Why do we translate? When we're beginners, translating is normal. For example, you want to say, "I'm hungry." But your brain first says it in your native language. Then it translates it into English. This process takes time. That's why you hesitate while speaking. Native speakers don't translate. They simply think in English. The good news: you can train your brain to do exactly the same. Step 1. Learn ideas, not individual words. Many students memorize vocabulary lists, but words alone don't help you speak. Instead, learn complete phrases. For example, instead of learning only the word hungry, learn, "I'm hungry." Instead of learning busy, learn, "I'm busy right now." Instead of learning tired, learn, "I'm feeling tired today." Your brain remembers ideas much faster than isolated words. Step 2. Describe everything around you. This is one of the most powerful exercises. Look around your room. Describe everything in English. For example, "This is my laptop." "The window is open." "My phone is on the table." "The fan is running." "The weather looks beautiful." Don't worry about making mistakes. Your goal isn't perfection. Your goal is to train your brain to think in English. Step 3. Talk to yourself. Yes, talking to yourself is actually one of the best English learning techniques. Imagine you're explaining your daily routine. For example, "I woke up at 7. I brushed my teeth. I made breakfast. Now I'm going to work." Even 5 minutes every day can dramatically improve your fluency. Step 4. Ask yourself questions 440 to 540. Your brain loves conversations. Ask yourself simple questions. What am I doing? What should I eat today? Where am I going? What movie should I watch tonight? Then answer those questions in English. This creates real thinking instead of memorization. Step 5. Think in categories. Choose one topic every day. For example, food. Now think only in English. Apple. Rice. Chicken. Breakfast. Lunch. Delicious. Healthy. Then make sentences. I like fresh fruit. I usually eat rice for lunch. My favorite drink is coffee. This builds vocabulary naturally. Step 6. Stop translating unknown words. When you don't know a word, don't switch back to your native language. Instead, explain the idea using simple English. For example, suppose you forget the word umbrella. Instead of stopping, say, "It's something we use when it rains." This skill is called circumlocution, and it's something fluent speakers use all the time. Communication is more important than perfect vocabulary. Step 7. Build an English environment. Your brain learns from what it sees every day. Change your phone language to English. Watch YouTube in English. Listen to English podcasts. Read simple English articles. Follow English pages on social media. The more English you see, the more naturally your brain begins to think in English. Daily 15-minute thinking routine, 8:40 to 9:40. Here's a simple routine. 5 minutes. Describe your surroundings. 5 minutes. Talk about your day. 5 minutes. Ask and answer questions. That's only 15 minutes. Do it every day for 1 month. You'll notice a huge improvement. Common mistakes. Many learners make these mistakes. Crossmark waiting until their grammar is perfect. Crossmark memorizing thousands of words without speaking. Crossmark being afraid of making mistakes. Crossmark translating every sentence. Instead, speak, think, listen, repeat. That's how fluency grows. Final motivation. Remember, you don't need perfect English. You need understandable English. Every fluent English speaker started as a beginner. The difference is that they practiced every single day. From today, challenge yourself. Think in English for just 15 minutes. Tomorrow, make it 20. Next week, 30. Soon, you'll realize you're no longer translating. You're thinking naturally. And that's the moment your English becomes fluent. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with another English learner. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.